Welcome, everyone, to this exciting preview of our upcoming course on SQL Fundamentals and Amazon QuickSight for beginners. I'm thrilled to give you a sneak peek into the world of data analysis and visualizations. In this course, we'll cover everything you need to know to become a data-savvy professional. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with a simple yet powerful SQLite query using the Chinook database. Imagine you're running a music store and you want to identify the top 10 tracks that have generated the highest sales revenue. How would you do that? Let's find out. Here is the SQL query we'll use to get our results. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. I'll walk you through step by step. First, we're retrieving data from four tables: track, album, artist, and invoice line. These tables are part of the Chinook database that stores music-related information. Now we want to identify the top track based on their sales revenue. Let's break down the query. We start with the select clause, which specifies the columns we want to see in our results. In this case, we are interested in the track name, album title, artist name, and the total sales revenue. Next, the from clause tells the database which tables we need to access to get the data required. We'll join four tables using their respective IDs to create a comprehensive dataset. Now comes the exciting part, the group by. It allows us to group our results based on specific columns, which, in this case, is the track ID. This means we'll calculate the total sales revenue for each track separately. And finally, the order by clause arranges our results in the descending order of total sales revenue. The limit clause, as the name suggests, sets a limit on the number of results we want. In this case, we'll see the top 10 tracks. And then you have it, a powerful SQL query that retrieves the top 10 tracks generating the most sales revenue. But remember, this is just a glimpse of what you learn in our comprehensive course on SQL Fundamentals and Amazon QuickSight. With us, you'll go from being a beginner to a data analyst pro, making insightful decisions based on data-driven insight. So, don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Clicking the link in the description below to enroll in our course on Udemy. See you there. Also, thank you for joining us today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified for our coming content. Until next time, keep exploring this fascinating world of data analysis and visualizations.